Life can sometimes leave us feeling lonely, empty, and abandoned. We may give in to despair, but God never abandons us. He never tires in calling us back home to Him. The darkness around may be overwhelming, but when our hope is set solidly on rock, we can overcome all odds. With His living hope uplifting us and guiding us, we are built to last.
Good day, I am Tina Rama, Mission Volunteer from MFC Youth and an active member of MFC Singles. I remembered attending the Radical World Youth Congress in 2014. I was not a member yet back then. A friend just invited me to come. During the worship, it rained really hard that everybody had to seek refuge in the bleachers. The rain stopped the whole program. I was feeling cold and already sick at that time. Then, out of nowhere, they began singing worship songs. As a non-community member, I was really surprised about what's happening. But my heart suddenly felt like it was on fire that I began singing with them too. Without actually knowing why. Bumuhos ang ulan, tumigil ang lahat, pero doon nagsimula yung oo ko sa Diyos. Inulan ako sa WYC. From then on, nagpatangay lang ako sa agos ng tawag ng Diyos. From being a non-community member, I became part of the community in 2014. I became an active member and eventually the Lord called me to become a mission volunteer in 2015. The raining and the storms kept pouring even after I said yes to God. But what flooded my heart with pain the most was when I was diagnosed with depression later in 2018 because of the weight of my life circumstances. One day, nagising na lang ako na my heart was bursting in so much pain that it aches to death. Nagising na lang akong isang araw na parang sasabog na yung puso ko sa sobrang lungkot. I knew that I had to seek help that day. The joy in my heart turned into an endless storm that flooded me with thoughts that drowned the truth in me. Suddenly, nawala ko yung sarili ko. I was in Christ, but I lost myself. From then on, a lot has happened. But despite that, patuloy akong nag-serve as a mission volunteer. Kahit anong bigat, kahit ang lalim na nung sugat, I kept on showing up. Yes ako ng yes sa Diyos, kahit nasa totoo lang, hindi ko magawang mag-yes sa sarili ko. Nilaban kong magpakatotoo kahit mahirap, pinilit kong sabihin yung pinagdadaanan ko sa mga ates and kuyas ko sa community. Takot akong magsabi dati kasi preach ako ng preach about faith pero araw-araw ko naman pinapatay yung sarili ko. Pero niyakap nila yung ako sa pinagdadaanan ko as they were journeying with me. Then come 2019, it got worse. My partner in service died last year and iniisip ko na talaga if susunod na ako kasi sobrang pagod ako and hindi ko makita kung paano ko ilalaban yung mga susunod na araw. But that day, yung mga full-time workers, sinundo ako and they accompany me sa wake. They made sure I was not alone that day and I was safe. They were in grief that day too, but they supported me with love and strength that I need so that I can freely break that day and still have the trust that they will help me pick up the pieces after. But just few days after, I was in an overnight dahil galing kami sa wake. Inside the restroom, I started to hurt myself and thought of other things because my heart was bleeding that night and I wanted it to end. But by God's grace, I went out and niyakap ko yung isa kong ate na co-missionary ko din that time. I was with other sisters that night and they all offered me with a safe space to cry it all out instead of bleeding it all on my own. It was a tough year and I thought I was stronger, but earlier this year, same thoughts, but my household servant was quick to respond and informed my mom and the people at home so that they can protect me from myself. There are a lot more to this story, but thinking of everything that has happened, if wala yung mga full-time workers that day, if wala yung mga co-missionaries and sisters ko that night, if di naging accountable earlier this year yung household servant ko, maybe I'm not here right now. Maybe I'm not the one sharing this experience. But God knew that I had to go through all that. And so He blessed me with a family, He blessed me with a community, with ates and kuyas, and sisters and friends who will not only journey with me, but will also be God's instruments to save me. It was a long and freezing storm. I could have drowned from its flood, but as God has promised, I will go through the storm, but I will not go through it alone. He blessed me with a family and the community to help me last, to help me overcome. I am still in a storm, but the storm is not in me anymore. Inulan ako nung una akong nag-yes sa Diyos, at heto inuulan pa rin naman ako, pero umuoo pa rin ako. My heart may feel cold at times, my mind may be flooded at times, but I will never fall and drown. I am in a community of buwets. May MFC na sasamahan ako sa bawat bagyo at ulan sa buhay ko, who will row with me towards God. I am still a mission volunteer for MFC Youth and an active member of MFC Singles, yung bagyo na nakawasak sa buo kong pagkatao natapos, but my calling as a member and servant of MFC remains. Natapos yung sakit, pero yung pagmamahal ng Diyos sa akin through this community hindi natapos. Again, I am Tina Rama, mission volunteer and member of MFC Singles. My mission as MFC missionary continues because I am built in Christ. I am built to last.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. Never thought that you'd be the one. I couldn't really justify, you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. 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 As the leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. As leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, all will be alright in time. 'cause you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Forgive.